In this video, we will show you the proper way to install S-curve vertical vanes. With the S-curve style vanes, it's important to position the vane to match the vane view that was selected in the order. That way, when the blind is closed, the curve will lay properly, providing excellent light control. As you can see, installing the vanes incorrectly will not allow the blind to close properly, and will prevent the S-curve vanes from working as intended. When installing vertical vanes, make sure that the blind is in the closed position with the clips spaced evenly across the headrail. Adjust the control until the clips are turned 3/4 of the way into the room. With the back of the vane facing you, slide the top of the vane into the clip. The clip will snap into the hole at the top of the vane. Begin attaching the vanes on the right side and continue left until all vanes are attached to clips. For more information on the S-curve vanes, please see the vertical section of your price reference guide.